guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I bleach the knots on my hair. This hair is from Africanmall. It's their Frontal. And first I'm just going to take the hair and I'm going to like place it underneath a trash bag so that none of the bleach gets on the table. And yeah, and then we're going to just dye the lace basically. So this is what it looks like. It came pre-plucked already. It was pretty nice. Like, I didn't really do much plucking to it when I actually applied it to my head. So this is really good for, like, you know, just quick and easy application. And then I'm going to take the BW2 bleach. This is like the standard bleach. And in order to get it cheap, go to Walmart because they have like this whole bucket for probably $20. And at the beauty supply store, it's just way too expensive. But since I'm only dyeing like the frontal, I only need about 2 scoops. And I'm also using this 40 volume developer. This is also from the beauty supply store. So yeah, I'm just going to pour it into the bowl and then I'm going to mix it up a little bit. And then I'm going to mix it to a paste. I like it to be more of a toothpaste or a little bit thicker, more like a frosting type, just so it won't bleed through the actual lace. So once you're done mixing and it gets like desired consistency, then you can apply it to the hair or the lace. Sorry, not the hair. Do not apply it to the hair. You do not want to dye your hair. Just the lace. And we do this just so that the lace can appear like a scalp and can be more of your color. You're trying to bleach the knots, so the knots already come black as they like tie each strand to the actual lace. So now you want to make them brown or a tint of brown. So you're just going to lightly apply this over top of the lace. Try not to press too hard in the inside so you won't seep it through the hair. And if you do, it's okay. You can just correct it with either a black dye and go in with like a mascara wand to correct it, or you can, you know, just rock it how it is. I don't know how people usually do it, or you can put like a brown or black color just to correct it. But yeah, just be very light-handed, and that's why I like mine to be a little bit more thick so it won't seep through the lace so easily. And you want to cover all of the parts and also a little bit in the front. Like the front is pretty important to cover because that's where like the front of your scalp is. So just make sure you do that. And because my consistency is so like pretty thick, the layer is pretty thick and I'm fine with that. Like, it's cool. And once it starts developing, it actually gets thicker, like more like a bubbly consistency, because with bleach it heats up so that I guess it can activate. I'm not sure all the scientific parts of it, but I know that bleach heats up, and if you want it to dye faster, I've heard of people putting it in the microwave. I don't know about that, but yeah, I don't do that. I just let it sit for about 30 minutes. Each lace is different, but my standard has been 30 minutes, and it's been working for me pretty well. Sometimes you have to go in more with different lace, but this one I did for exactly 30 minutes, and it came out really good. Most of the knots were bleached. I didn't have to go in a second time or anything, so yeah. Just let that sit for 30 minutes, and this is like always gets me. I always forget to bleach my knots, but do that before you even make your wig. So I just made this into a wig, and this is what it looks like after the 30 minutes. Like, as you can see, it's pretty thick and like clunky, like things are like falling off now, but you can also see that the lace is a different color. It's more of a orangey brown. So now I'm just gonna go and wash the bleach off. And I'm just going to rinse it out with water first. I just like to take all of the product off first. And then I just go in with a shampoo of my choice. I usually use the Aussie line because it's just really good for even natural hair and also just like curly hair or any type of hair. I like the line. And it's pretty inexpensive actually at Target, so that's cool. And yeah, I use a shampoo and I also condition the hair. And I like to shampoo and condition all of my hair before I actually wear it, just because I don't know, I don't really know where it's coming from. Like, I feel like it's better. And I'm also taking the Aussie conditioner. This one's like the deep conditioner. You don't have to use a deep conditioner, but I like it. It works miracles actually. Like, it's really good. It's only like 3 minutes process, but this time I just use it as a conditioner and not a deep conditioner. So once we're all done washing the hair, then we're gonna go in and dry it. And yeah, I just use a towel to dry it. And lace, like frontals, they dry really, really quick for some reason. I don't know. Maybe because all of the air from like the lace, like its holes inside, it just dries really quickly. And now we can see like it looks like a scalp pretty much, like as if I put it up to my skin, you can literally, like it looks like a scalp, and I love it. Like bleaching knots is just so easy and just nice. So yeah, this is the process of me bleaching my knots. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to check out the links to the hair down below and follow me on all my social media links. They'll also be down below. But yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.